Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to add timestamp in YouTube video. If you want to add chapters or timestamp in your videos, then I'll show you the easiest way to do it. First, you have to go to the YouTube and then you have to click on YouTube Studio from the left bottom. Once you click onto it, you will get to this page. On the left side, you can see this option called content. Click onto it. And after that, you have to simply select that video in which you want to add the timestamps. Now once you get there, either you can click onto the three dots and this pencil. Both of the ways will lead you to this option, which is edit the description. Now what you have to do is you have to simply go to the description. If you have a description written, don't worry, you just have to simply go at the bottom and you have to simply start the timestamp from 0. You have to type 0 colon 00 and you can type its title like introduction. Make sure the first timestamp should always start from the 0. Then you can go to the next chapter, whatever timing it is. The thing is you have to simply first write like 0 colon then second. If the minute is 1, then 1 colon and whatever the seconds are, and then you have to type their title. You can add as many timestamps or chapters as you would like to. It's up to you. Whatever the information is based on in your video, you can create timestamps according to it. Just simply first type like 1 colon 12 and the title. If you don't want to add these title, you don't have to do it, but otherwise people would not understand what you are talking about here. So it is better that you should also give the description or the title and then just simply save it. Then after that, just simply go to that video to watch it, and once you're watching it, you have to simply go to its description. Once you get to the description, then you have to simply go to the timestamps that we had added, and you can see these are in blue color, and once I click onto it, you can see it go to that specific time. So that's how you can add timestamps in YouTube video. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. If you're new to this channel or you have not subscribed yet, then make sure to subscribe it for more informative videos and updates. And thank you so much for watching the video till the very end.